Welcome to our advanced heavy structural steel manufacturing base, where precision engineering meets global standards. Powered by Tekla 3D BIM modeling, our team transforms complex architectural concepts into highly accurate, zero-error shop drawings. Equipped with CNC drilling and 3D laser profiling lines, we strictly control millimeter tolerances to guarantee effortless on-site bolting. Our certified welders strictly execute international quality codes, backed by full NDT inspection for ultimate structural safety. From SA 2.5 shot blasting to heavy-duty marine coating and hot-dip galvanizing, we deliver superior corrosion resistance. With optimized container loading and custom steel framing, we ensure safe and efficient delivery worldwide. Contact us today to build your next flagship project.